Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're unboxing a Halloween special. It's Hugo Jr.'s costume. What is it?
Anyone guessed it? Guess in the comment below. 5, 4, 3, 1, 2. Wait, is that?
You gotta go back to school.
I don't think that's math. 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 1. Ow! Ow, my face.
Ghostface.
I got for Halloween this year, it was $20 exactly. So,
You got it.
Party City.
Alright,
Party
Ghostface. Ghostface.
Party City.
This is from Scream. Scary movie. Yes.
This is my costume.
Let me see, what does it come with?
How much what?
Let me see the... Usually it doesn't really look like on the case, on the bag. But let's actually see what it looks like. Alright.
And
See what's inside.
I can't get it out. Let me get it. I got it.
Is it? Oh! Nice. Alright, what else?
This is
And a bunch of black stuff. Alright guys, we're gonna try it on and then we're gonna come back and see if you like it.
this
Alright.
is a bunch of this is a blob. This is just a blob.
Alright, we'll be right back. Dun-na, 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 dun-na. Ah! Wow, that looks so cool.
Lego.
What is it? Ah, he looks like the Scream mask. Okay, that's creepy. He looks just like you. Wow, that looks so good. Let me see, open your arms up. See if the flap. Oh yeah, it looks just like the just like the case. That is so cool. So, why did you choose this costume?
I did that was really cool.
Alright. Alright guys, thank you for watching and let us know what costume you got for Halloween or which one you want to be for Halloween. Just comment below which one you have and we'll comment too. We'll let you guys know what we think
Now
about.
a dance party.
Okay, you have to wear a black shirt underneath. Turn around. Yeah, it's yellow. Okay, well anyway, we'll definitely know who it is. Alright, bye guys. Subscribe, comment. Remember, tell us who you're going to be for Halloween so we can know. Bye guys.
And don't be afraid of the dark, please.